Hi, I'm Julianne. I work with Articulture. I'm here to tell you about Open Out 2023, our latest project. Do you have an idea for an outdoor arts performance or project? This spring, Articulture and partners across Wales are launching Open Out 2023. This is a commissioning opportunity for artists who want to make new outdoor arts in Wales. So what is the opportunity? This year we have 3 new commissions for artists who want to develop and tour new outdoor arts in Wales, 2 for underrepresented artists and 1 open commission. You can apply if you identify as a deaf or disabled artist, if you want to create work developed and created exclusively in the Welsh language, or lastly, if you're an artist with an idea for an outdoor arts performance or project currently living in Wales. These commissions will be supported by leading venues and festivals across Wales working together as the Wales Outdoor Arts Consortium, or WOAC for short, and it's managed by Articulture. The 3 resulting outdoor artworks will tour to the WOAC partners locations in 2023, and artists will receive performance fees for this. You can apply for up to £5,500 worth of commission. Articulture will work with selected artists to support them at each stage of creating and touring the work, and this could include mentorship, production and marketing support, or producing. There will also be an opportunity for chosen artists to make a visit with us to an established outdoor arts festival to see new international work and make professional connections. So is this opportunity for you? We welcome everyone, no matter what your background or experience, whether you have worked outside before or not. It's simple. Just contact us to say hello. You can talk to us in English or Welsh, and this year we're working closely with Taking Flight to broaden our access so you can contact us with BSL. We are especially keen to hear about ideas and projects that are performative and or interactive, can be enjoyed by a bilingual audience, that's in both Welsh and English, or bring people from different backgrounds to collaborate together. The lead artists must be based in Wales and the work must be intended for the outdoors. If you have an idea, want to apply for a commission, or would like more information, just get in touch with me, Julianne, and you can get in touch with me by email, phone call, text, WhatsApp, or on our social media, and all our contacts will be shown at the end of this video. For the WOAC commissions, the deadline to get in touch with us is Friday the 3rd of March, but the sooner you get in touch with us, the better. The Articulture team will support you to develop your idea and make your application so it's ready to share with our partners by Friday the 17th of March at 5 p.m. This is your application deadline. If your idea is chosen by the partners, you will start developing your idea with support from Articulture by Monday the 10th of April. Touring to the partners' venues usually starts in July and runs through August, sometimes into the beginning of September. If you'd like to visit our website, you'll be able to see what other outdoor work we've helped to create in the past. You can contact me by email at Julianne, that's JULIEANN, at articulture-wales.co.uk, by phone on 07890 681 212, on Facebook at facebook.com/Articulture Wales, capital A for Articulture, capital W for Wales, on Twitter at twitter.com/Articulture_ with the capital A, and on Instagram at instagram.com/Articulture_Wales/.